Good morning. Myself Rosmi Patel, lecturer in Civil Department, PPMP Polytechnic, Gandhinagar. Today's my subject name is Surveying and subject code 3330605 and unique name Introduction and Scale. My topic name is Introduction of Surveying. First objective. The primary object of survey is the preparation of plan for buildings, roads, railways, pipelines, canals, etc. Object of geodetic surveying is to determine the relative position of points on the surface of the earth, and geodetic surveying is useful when area is very large. Second definition. Surveying is the science and art of determining the relative position of points on or below the surface of the earth. જ્યારે જમીનની ઉપર અથવા જમીનની નીચે કોઈ પણ બે પોઈન્ટ વચ્ચે હોરિઝોન્ટલ ડિસ્ટન્સ માપવું છે, વર્ટિકલ ડિસ્ટન્સ માપવું છે, કોઈ પણ બે લાઈન વચ્ચે એંગલ માપવું છે ત્યારે સર્વેઇંગ કરવામાં આવે છે. Next, uses of surveying. To prepare a topographical map, this shows the hills, valley, rivers, village, town, etc. of the country. કોઈપણ કન્ટ્રીમાં રિવર, વિલેજ, ટાઉન, હિલ્સ બધાની ડિટેલ ટોપોગ્રાફિકલ મેપમાં જોવા મળે છે. કોઈપણ મેપ પ્રિપેર કરવા માટે સૌથી પહેલાં સર્વેઇંગ કરવામાં આવે છે. To prepare a cadastral map showing the boundaries of fields, house and other properties. કોઈપણ ઘરની બાઉન્ડ્રીઝ, પ્લોટનો એરિયા બધાની ડિટેલ cadastral મેપમાં જોવા મળે છે. To prepare an engineering map to show details like roads, railways, canals, etc. Road, railway, canal બધાની details engineering mapમાં જોવા મળે છે. To prepare military maps showing roads and railways communication with different parts of country. Military map useful for military purpose. To prepare a contour map and determine the capacity of reservoirs and dams, find out the best possible route for roads and railways. To prepare a geological map showing areas including underground resources. City survey is used for planning of street, water supply system and sewer. Difference between plan and map. First, plan. Plan is graphical representation of features on or near earth on horizontal plane. Map is also a graphical representation of features but differs from a plan when scale is small. Plan is drawn on large scale. Map is drawn on small scale. Scale of plan is 1 centimeter is equal to 10 meter or less than 10 meter. And scale of map is 1 centimeter is equal to 100 meter or greater than 100 meter. For example, plan of house, plan of bridge, map of Gujarat and map of India. Next, principles of surveying. Basic 2 principles of surveying. First, always work from whole to the part. Second, to locate a new station by at least 2 reference points. First, working from whole to the part. According to the first principles of survey, the whole area is divided into number of triangles. See in figure. Point A, point B, point C, point D, E, F, G, H, K are main station point or main control point. First, measure the distance between AB, BC, CD, DE, EF, GH with the use of chain or tape and measure the area of large triangle. Then after measures the area of small triangle with the use of chain or tape. To locate a new station by at least 2 reference points. See in figure. Point A and point B fix point on the ground and decide the position of point C by linear measurement. Linear measurement means measurement of horizontal distance between 2 points. Measure the distance between A and C, D2 and BC, D1 and decide the position of point C. See in figure 2. A and B fix point on the ground and decide the position of point C by one linear measurement and one angular measurement. Linear measurement means measurement of horizontal distance between 2 points, and angular measurement means measurement of angle between two lines. See in figure number 3, A and B fix point on the ground and decide the position of point C by one linear measurement and one angular measurement. Means measure the distance B1 and measure the angle theta 1. See in figure number 4, A and B fix point on the ground and decide the position of point C by both angular measurement. Means measure the angle theta 1 and angle theta 2. See in figure number 5, A and B fix point on the ground and decide the position of point C by one linear measurement and one angular measurement. Means measure the distance D2 and angle theta 1. Primary division of survey: plane surveying and geodetic surveying. In plane surveying, the shape of the earth is spherical, but in plane surveying, the curvature of the earth is not taken into account. Means in plane surveying, પૃથ્વીની ગોળાઈને ધ્યાનમાં લીધા વિના surveying કરવામાં આવે છે. In geodetic surveying, the curvature of the earth is taken into consideration. Means જ્યારે geodetic surveying કરવામાં આવે છે ત્યારે પૃથ્વીની ગોળાઈને ધ્યાનમાં લઈને surveying કરવામાં આવે છે. Second, the surface of the earth is considered as plane. In plane surveying, the પૃથ્વીની સપાટીને plane consider કરી અને surveying કરવામાં આવે છે. In geodetic surveying, the surface of the earth is considered as curve. In plane surveying is carried out over small area less than 250 km square. જ્યારે area 250 km square કરતા નાનો હોય ત્યારે plane surveying કરવામાં આવે છે. Geodetic surveying is carried out over large area. જ્યારે area 250 km square કરતા વધારે હોય ત્યારે geodetic surveying કરવામાં આવે છે. Classification of survey. Survey can be classified on different bases. First, classification of survey based on nature of field. First, land survey. Second, marine survey. Third, astronomical survey. First, land survey. Land survey conducted on the land or earth surface. Marine survey. Marine survey conducted on water bodies like river, sea, ocean. Third, astronomical survey. Astronomical survey conducted to study the position of cylindrical bodies. Classification of survey based on object. First, topographical survey, military survey, cadastral survey, and engineering survey. First, topographical survey. Topographical survey conducted to determine the nature of features like rivers, hill, lakes, sea, towns, villages, buildings, road, railways, etc. Second, military survey. Military survey conducted for military purpose. Third, cadastral survey. Cadastral survey conducted to determine the details of boundaries of field, house, and other properties. Last, engineering survey. Engineering survey conducted for collecting the data for engineering purpose like design of dam, road, bridge, etc. Classification of survey based on instrument. First, chain survey, compass survey, plane table survey, theodolite survey, tachyometric survey, and photographic survey. First, chain survey. Chain or tape survey is used for linear distance measurement. કોઈપણ બે પોઈન્ટ વચ્ચે હોરિઝોન્ટલ ડિસ્ટન્સ માપવાનું હોય ત્યારે ચેઇન સર્વે કરવામાં આવે છે. Second, compass survey. Compass survey used for measurement of horizontal angle. કોઈપણ બે લાઈન વચ્ચે હોરિઝોન્ટલ એંગલ માપવા માટે કંપાસ સર્વે કરવામાં આવે છે. Third, plane table survey. Plane table survey is used for preparing plan of given area and collecting details. Theodolite survey. Theodolite survey is used for measuring horizontal and vertical angle. Next, tachyometric survey. Tachyometric survey is used for measurement of horizontal and vertical distance. Now last, photographic survey. Photographic survey used for collecting the details of earth features. Classification of survey based on method of employee. First, triangulation survey. Second, traverse survey. In triangulation survey, the area is covered with network of triangles and details are collected. In traverse survey, the area is covered by series of survey lines forming traverse and details are collected. Thank you.